Hello students, welcome back to Maths online classes. I am your Maths teacher. Today we are going to take a new chapter, new topic, chapter number 9. Chapter number 9, Measurement. The spelling of measurement is MEASUREMENT. I am repeating again. MEASUREMENT. Measurement. Here some key points are there in measurement by which we can know which is longer, shorter, bigger, smaller, thin, thick. First we will write some key points over here. We measure which things? Measurement of lengths are. First is measurement of lengths are. First is longer and shorter. Second one is big and small. Third one is tall and short. Fourth one is thick and thin. Then heavy and light. Here are the some few points of measurements of length. By this only we can identify either it is shorter, either it is longer, the pencil is big or small, the boy is taller than you or shorter than you, this is thick or thin, heavy or light. Now first example I will show you longer and shorter. Here I am having pencil with me. Two pencils are given over here. You can see one is longer and the another one is shorter. The height of the pencil is short and this orange pencil is height is long. So this is, how can we measure? This is longer and this one is shorter. We can identify by this. Now second one is big and small. Here I am having chalk with myself. Here big chalk is there and this one is small chalk. You can see children, this one is big and this one is small. Now next one is, what is next? Tall and short. Same way. Same way, this scissor is tall and this whitener is in short. Okay, this is the height of marker whitener is short and the height of scissor is tall. Okay, now thick and thin. Here I am having two markers with me. One is thick. This marker is thick and this one is thin. Okay. And the last one is heavy and light. Here I am having two bottles with me. Here is heavy one and here is a light one. Okay. So this one is heavier and this one is lighter. So these are the some key points of our chapter measurements. Now we will come in our question. So first question, take out page number 17. Page number 17. Here is tick the longer object. You have to, question one is tick the longer object. First one is like this rod is given over there. I will take some few points only by which you can understand how you have to solve this question. Okay, like this tie is two questions I am taken over here. First one is a rod is given over there. You have to take a longer one. So children, which one is longer one over here? Can you tell me? Yes, this one is longer. So you have to take it this. Now, second question, which tie is longer? This. ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. तो अपन को किस में टिक करना है? लॉन्गर में, लंबे में. Okay, so here is our answer. Now take out page number 118. Page number 118. In same process you have to take, I will take question number 2, take the longest candle. Tick, okay, only one example I am taking. Take the longest candle. Candle is drawn over there. A picture of candle is given over there. I am also drawing a picture of candle. Okay. There are three candles are drawn over here, in which you have to tick the longest candle. So children, can you tell me which one is the longest one? Yes, first one is the longest one. Like this only you have to solve this. Okay. Now we will take big and small. Or what do you mean by big and small, children? Take out page number 119. You can see over here in this book, I am showing it here. You can see one elephant is given over there and one mouse is here. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Can you tell me? I am drawing some picture over here. Smaller and bigger. Okay. Small and big. I am taking one example. Here, one mango. I am drawing over here. So, this mango is big. This mango is big and this mango is small. So, this is the difference in big and small. Now, children, that's it for today. Hope you all understand about measurement. Just go through which keychains I am given over here, there in the whiteboard. Okay, you have to go through that and think which points we have learned today. Longer, shorter, big, small. Okay, these 2 points we'll study it over here. Hope you all understand. And thank you. Have a good day.